rocking Sunkissed Squad. It is your girl, Kate to the motherfucking Benz, the Sunkissed Queen, and I'm back with another video, of course. So today's look is basically going to be a pop-up inspired Wonder Woman look today. Of course, you guys already know the drill. I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to get straight into the video. Since we have now completed our face, we're now going to get more into the lips. I'm not too sure what this brand is. It says Half Cake on it. In color Power Trip. With a black pencil or liner, whatever you guys want to use, we're now going to outline our lips. Now since we basically finished the lips, we're now going to get into the little details. So first things first, I'm going to start by adding little highlights to my lips. Now we're really going to get into the pop art line. You basically want to make sure that you outline where there's a prominent shadow. Now since we basically did a little detailing, we're now going to get into the crown. For the crown, I'm going to be using my NYX pencils in color Black Bean and Cashmere. Black Bean to outline and Cashmere to fill it in with gold. There you guys have it, my finished Wonder Woman pop art inspired look. I think it's honestly super cute. It's a super easy makeup in case you didn't want to do the full, shebang. You just want a little something, you get me. But But yeah, call me when you guys want your world saved, you know, nothing major. But you guys already know the drill. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button, type in that comment, and hit that subscribe button with the bell to know when I post. Also, don't forget to make sure to check out my other makeup tutorials or makeup videos, which will be down below, as well as up here. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, 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 oh.